Welcome. My name is Thomas, and I'm here to share in this video a little about my life and my story and what I've been experiencing in 2021 and what I'm looking to do in 2022. So, my primary business model is tax preparation, taxation, coaching program, and so that's what I primarily bring to the marketplace through online content. And this here is my YouTube channel that you're looking at, the world of tax preparation. And so this channel was designed on purpose to help showcase my knowledge and skills to show people who was interested in starting their own tax preparation service, get started, to let them know I'm the real deal, that I had the skills and knowledge to help them make that happen for themselves. So my fast track to success coaching program is designed to take the, the person ready to start their own tax service who don't want to do this alone, who don't want to have to figure out all the next moves to make, who don't want to waste time and money and frustration on learning as you go. Learning as you go is a great concept. We've all been there and done that, and we still do to a certain extent. But there's certain things we don't want to purposely just learn as you go with. And so to start your own business, that's one of them that you don't want to have to learn as you go all the way through it if you can avoid that. So in my coaching program, it's designed to take the new person who looking to start their own business to get started by taking away all the guesswork. You know what I'm saying? Because you got me on your team. I'm your tour guide. I'm going to take you down the path and show you this is the way to go. This is the tools, the resources, the information, the knowledge, the training you need to be successful. You have to master this, get good at it, and go out here and position yourself in the marketplace as an authority figure to help other people who might be looking to do what you do based on what your business model is, based on your mission and your business for your business. So if you're looking to start your own tax preparation service, you got two options like we all do. We can do the DIY, do it ourselves, get started option, or we can research and go out and try to find someone who has a program already in place that's designed to help us get a result much quicker, much faster, and more efficient than we have to do on our own efforts. That's the key to coaching and mentorship type style programs and services. They're designed in a way to help you get a certain result in a certain area much more quicker than you would do on your own. So my coaching program is designed to help you start your own tax preparation business and guide you through a process that's simple and easy, but at the same time can be difficult based on the learning curve that you're going to face based on who you are as an overall individual and your ability to learn and read and comprehend is going to be the part of that key situation. So again, back in 1995 is when I embarked on this journey by taking a tax preparation course to a nationally known brand. From that experience, I realized I enjoyed this. I realized then this was a career industry and that this could take care of me and a family if I took care of it. But back then, I had a drinking problem. I wasn't able to pursue that. And so in 1999, I got clean and sober. In 2001, I re-entered the tax preparation industry through working for a nationally known brand for 6 years. And then from there, I positioned myself through those 6 years of working for that company to learn everything I need to know to start my own tax preparation service. And that's what I did. And so I've been in the industry 20 plus years, 14 as a business owner. And so I go out now through my coaching program, which I started last year, to help women who want to start their own tax preparation business get started from A to Z, take away all the guesswork, give you a one-stop shop hub of information and resources that you can get access to through me to help you on your journey to being profitable inside your business. And so a lot of things people sell you on why you want to start a business don't happen right away. So when they tell you about you can choose your own hours, you can gain financial and freedom and time freedom. Those things are true to a certain extent, but you got to build that in order to do that. So starting a business in the door, you can't set your own hours. You got to set hours that's going to be conducive to you servicing the people that you're trying to service. So if I had a tax service during tax season and I only opened up 2 days a week, then what type of money and service I'm trying to provide to my ideal client would be ridiculous. So those are some of the flaws that people use to sell people who don't know no better on why they should start a business. But see, my concept and my ideology and my theory is I'm not going to talk to a person who's not going to start a business in the first place. So if you're not looking to start a business, then why would I conversate you about that topic if that's not what your mindset is on? That's not something you always dreamed about and thought about having one day. That's just a waste of my time and energy pursuing that topic with you. You know, that would be for someone who's always wanted to have their own business, who always wanted to uh, be their own boss on some level one day, who might not necessarily know what it was no more than I did, but they had that desire within. Those are my ideal clients who I want to talk to and plant the seed that it can happen. This is the journey you want to take, and this is how you can make it happen. And so that's the conversation I would have when it comes to somebody who always had the desire to have their own business. Not the person who never had a desire. Because I can't talk you into having something that you never desire to do. That ain't what I'm about. That ain't how it works. So when it comes to having your own business, regardless of what it is, I'm only talking to people who already had the desire and the uh, inspiration to one day figure out what that'll be. And so for me, it came to be tax preparation and taxation. And so if that's something you want to do, then my coaching program is designed to help you make it happen. You know what I'm saying? In my coaching program, we cover a lot of different things. I wrote an ebook last year. I sold it. I still sell it. And it basically is the actual walkthrough of what I cover with my clients who want to start their own tax preparation business. And so when it comes to that uh, ebook, at best I might modify it, but when it comes to my coaching program and what it provides, the ebook covers it all. And so, like I said, at best I might modify the book, add more to it. But the bottom line is, me reinventing the wheel makes no sense when I already got an ebook that walks you through the information we cover on how to start your own tax preparation business. So if you're looking to get that done, you're looking to make that happen, I leave my contact information in all my videos, giving you permission to call me. Because every last person I ever done business with, when it came to having their own business, regardless if it was tax preparation or not, had questions and concerns that need to be answered. That's going to give them the confidence uh, and the comfortability they need within them to get started. And so, if you need questions and concerns answered about starting your own tax business, call me up, send me an email, text me. We'll set up an appointment. We can do a Zoom call. I can educate you and give you all the information you need to make an informed decision on if this is a career move for you. And so, what I do for people who have no prior training experience, I give you a up close and personal view of what it's going to take for you to get started. I send you over real world information as far as the training, because the training on learning how to prepare taxes is the foundational piece to having the business in the first place. So if that's going to be the main hurdle that you're going to face when it comes to starting your own tax preparation business, then you got to ask yourself, is this something I want to do in the first place? And if it is, regardless of the hurdle and the frustration that you might experience with the information I send you over on understanding and comprehending the information that's going to allow you to learn how to prepare taxes, then that's something to consider. So when it's all said and done, my coaching program is designed to help the women who want to get started, who don't want to do it by themselves, who are willing and understanding that I got to invest in me, meaning herself, to get where she want to go, because doing them on my own, trial and error, I don't have the time for that. And there's a price to pay for doing it on your own. It's a price to pay for trying to learn as you go. It's a price to pay for all that. And I'm the one who paid the price because I did it all on my own. Because when I first got started, I didn't understand coaching and mentorship and all those different things. That wasn't a concept to me. I just knew I was excited about having my own tax business. I was excited about helping people with their tax preparation needs. And I just went out there and done the research to make it happen. And I had a full-fledged tax service, and I've been in the industry for 20 years helping other people do the same. And so out of all the people I worked with, as far as employees, when I had my business, no one had a true desire to have their own tax service. A lot of people worked for me and my partner at the time strictly for a paycheck. They had no desire to make this a career move or a business move or either one at all. And that's some of the sadness that I've experienced by being in this industry around people who don't want a career in this industry. And it's okay. I know what I want. So if you want to get started, I know it's late in the season, but it's better late than never to take action now. At least give me a call so I can educate you, show you, and send you some information that's going to let you know if this is the right move for you in the first place. See, because until you take action, you don't know if it's the right choice or not. And that's how life works. We don't know if it's the right choice when it comes to our lives and what we want to do until we take action. And so until you take action, you won't have a clue on if this is for you. And so the quicker you take action, the quicker you can find out, oh yeah, I like this. I think I can do this. I think I can be successful, especially when we have a mentor, a coach like you on my team that's going to guide me, who's going to save me some pain and trouble and some frustration because they've been there and done that. Yeah, I'm ready to go. But to sit here and wonder and hope and not know if this is you because you never took action on even pursuing the bare minimum of researching that by talking to someone who can educate you and show you if this for you is a disservice to you. So take action by at least calling me up, setting up an appointment based on the time you reach out so I can send you over some information. Leave me a comment in the description of the video with your email address if you're interested in getting some information on what it's going to take to be successful in this industry that you can check out at your own leisure. And then you can reach back out to me and say, okay, I want to learn more. Can we set up a coaching call? Can we talk? Yeah, we can do that. And so when it's all said and done, my life and my business, and my goals and my dreams is what wakes me up in the morning, what keeps me going. Without those, it'll be hard to get out of bed. And so in 2021, for me, was my first year ever being sick during the first year of the tax season. First month of the tax season, I was sick, and for the whole year, basically, the momentum I wanted inside my business never took place because my health prevented that. But my health is my number one asset. Without my health, I don't have a business anyway. And so I'm working to get myself together emotionally, spiritually, uh, psychologically, and mentally to be ready, to be good to go to help my ideal client and my coaching clients for the upcoming tax season be ready. And so I'm working with people now so they can be ready for the upcoming tax season. And so if you want to be a part of that, like I said, worst case scenario, you can give me a comment and leave an email address where I can send you some information over to check out your own leisure. Or you can do both. You can call me up, we can talk, we can chat, and from there you can send me your email address and I can still send you the information over so you can be educated on if this is the right move for you when it comes to having a tax preparation business and a career industry under this business model. So I look forward to working with you, look forward to hearing from the people who are looking to start in on tax service, but for whatever reason haven't taken action yet. You got to at least take the bare minimum action of at least calling me so I can educate you and show you and send you the information over so you can make an informed decision if you even want to do this or not. And for once you do that, then the next course of action, if it's yes, is to get started. If it's no, to figure out what's going to be next, since this won't be it for you. So I look forward to seeing you in my next video.